All right, it's Wednesday. I'm off work. I decided that, we've been having a lot of protein, low carb, doing real good this week, sticking good with our healthy lifestyle. And I'm in the mood for a pizza, a hump day pizza. But obviously we don't want to just go out and buy a pizza because that wouldn't be very healthy. So I did a little research, YouTube University, and I found a cast iron idea. So we're gonna head to the grocery store and buy some stuff. Now, I should add in that you're thinking maybe like, oh, a cauliflower crust pizza or something like that. No, those are gross. I mean, they're healthy and they're fine for the purpose, but I'm thinking what we're gonna do is use some non-fat Greek yogurt and make our own like crust with some self-rising flour. And it's not the healthiest, but we'll go to the gym extra hard tomorrow. And then we're gonna use some chicken and different things like that. So we're here, we're gonna go buy some stuff. 25 bucks at Albertsons. And I'm not saying their prices are bad. I'm just saying that home cooking, to cook a healthy barbecued chicken, healthy pizza in the cast iron with my own homemade crust is expensive. Damn it. Now we can say hi and welcome back to Cooking with Josh. My name is Josh and thank you for tuning in. So backstory on me real quick. In the last 14 months or so, I've lost 125 pounds. And part of the reason why is because Babe and I have been doing a lot of home cooking, and we've been eating a lot healthier and cooking our own stuff. So if you didn't know, Babe, she travels between here and Northern California. So she's only here half of the time. So on the nights that she's not here, like tonight, I'm on a solo mission, me and my cast iron. Instead of going out and drinking at the bar with my buddies or doing something like that, we're gonna cook some healthy food, we're gonna get some good rest, and that kind of contributes to the healthier lifestyle. So, anyways, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And now we are going to cook, or an attempt to cook, a healthier-ish version of a barbecued chicken pizza in the cast iron. So here we go. All right, so we bought some chicken breast, boneless, skinless, thin slice, and trimmed because I was feeling kind of lazy. So what I'm doing now is I'm just cubing it, making little cubes out of the chicken breast. And again, if you're watching this video, one, I appreciate it. This is a little hobby of mine, little off-duty activities. I know my friend Adam always tells me, hey, your lighting isn't right, and your microphone isn't right, and your audio isn't right. I know, Adam, I'm working on it. That's on the to-do list. All right, so I'm thinking on barbecue chicken pizza, organic cilantro would be good. Now this is what I'm really interested in. This is Greek yogurt, non-fat, and I got some self-rising flour. I don't know how this works, and I don't know why it works, but YouTube told me it was going to work. So I'm gonna put some flour, some Greek yogurt in this bowl. All right, so it's like 1 cup of Greek yogurt to every 2 cups of flour. So this is a half a cup measurement. So there's a half a cup. There's another. I will say that's the one bad thing about cooking is it's messy. Well, maybe I'm just messy. I don't know. But so we want 2 cups of flour. Okay. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Oh, and here's a fun problem. What I've read and what I've watched is that I need to use like a mixer or something like that. Well, I don't have a mixer. I did watch a Gordon Ramsay video on YouTube that talked about his time in Europe and in France and when he was 20 years old and how to make pasta. And he told me a granite countertop and put some flour out on the granite countertop and you could just work the dough. So the Greek yogurt and the flour are kind of starting to look like dough, I guess. We'll see if we can't make it into a pizza crust at one point. All right, I mean, this is really the most important part, is the dough, is the crust. But there we have it. It's a ball of dough. Next step, it's time to preheat the oven. Let's see, bake. Let's go with 450 for the cast iron. Olive oil. Anyways, I'm gonna let this olive oil get so it's a little bit smoky, a little bit hot. I'm on medium heat. Fresh cut cilantro, chicken breast cubed, fresh cut jalapenos, and that is a ball of dough that's healthy that I made from scratch. The pan's on medium heat. The oil's just starting to shimmer right now, so I'm gonna put the dough in the pan. I'm gonna quickly spread it out, and there's probably, hopefully, gonna be a little bit of excess on the sides, and I'm gonna try and make a crust out of that. But I gotta be careful because the pan is hot. All right, I already burned my middle finger, and we're still trying to spread it out. I've now burned my hands about 7 times. All right, that's the best I could do with the dough.
A great naval task force has surrounded lonely Astra Island and its silent occupant, the giant absorbatron.
Okay, this is low-fat mozzarella. More cheese. All right, I take this back. This is not healthy at all. I'm gonna need to share this with my coworkers. But why not put some red onions on? Just a little bit. A little bit of red onions that are finely chopped up. Since we like spicy, fresh cut jalapenos. I left the seeds in, which is probably going to be an egregious error of mine. And lastly, our fresh cut organic cilantro. Sprinkle that on there. All right, 450 degrees for about, I don't know, 15, 17 minutes. In we go to the oven. It's baking. Oh. All right, we just pulled it out after 17 minutes. Check it out, you can still hear it. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it tastes good. There you go. A semi kind of ish healthy homemade barbecue chicken pizza with cilantro, jalapeno, and onions in the cast iron, in the oven, on a Wednesday night. Scroll into final portrait picture now and make sure you subscribe. Barbecued chicken pizza, homemade crust. There it is. Cilantro, onions, jalapenos, and bam. Anyways, now that you saw the final portrait picture, we're gonna cut it open. Yeah, you gotta follow me on Instagram to find out what happened. No, just joking. I would rather have you subscribe on YouTube. But thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you are awesome. Anyways, whoop, there it is. Have a good Wednesday.